Welcome guys, this is a quick update. I just wanted to give you a little update on what's happening. So we've been painting for the last weekend and last few days, just trying to clean it up. We're down with one of our mechanics, got sick, so all hands on board again and trying to get this knocked out. Other than projects, we're moving along pretty quickly on things. Just knocked out that transmission. We found one that there was a black truck here that needed a transmission. We put it together and found one that we could salvage from another truck and build one for it, fixed it, and then so that's on the road already. And then a couple other projects going on. I think this one is getting kingpins. I have to check the records, but here's the trans we pulled out from the broken one. We're gonna probably rebuild it and have it as a spare, and that's it pretty much with projects. With peak coming, it's I almost scared myself. The peak coming right now, we're seeing a lot more activity, and that's definitely good. Hopefully we'll continue, and just looking for mechanics and trying to move along a little quicker with the shop rebuild, and that's pretty much it. Let me see outside. We had an issue with one of our Freightliners. It was in a little crash, and we couldn't figure out what was happening with. We couldn't put the hood on, and because it looked like a minor damage, and all of a sudden we had one of our vendors come out and look at it, and he was like, "Hey, your frame is slightly bent right here, and that's why it doesn't fit." We thought it was a shorter frame for Columbia 112, but it wasn't. It was literally just slightly bent, so we couldn't fit it properly, and you couldn't really see it. So they helped us out, and now it's sitting perfectly. So now we just put stickers on it, and we're good to go. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for checking in, and talk to you soon.